Hey guys, and welcome back to another video, and today I'm going to be soldering on a fan connector on this 2014 Mac Mini. So if you follow my Twitter, you would have seen this on the day I got it. So this is the Mac Mini right here. Power supply cable. But anyways, so as I'm plugging the fan, for some reason I don't remember, and I, pulled it up with the spudger, and the connector fell off. So after like a year or so, I'm finally, this damn chair, it's pretty old. But anyways, I'm finally going to fix it with my, whatever this is called, workstation. SMD workstation. So you can see this brand. So this is what it looks like. But anyways, we can just get straight to it. So the temperature I'm using is like 584 degrees. So first of all, I want to spread some not thermal paste, some solder paste. So I'm gonna put some on the spudger, and I'm gonna spread it out. So let's zoom in here. So there it is. So the connector is around here, so I'm gonna, the focus is not very good, sorry about that. That's good enough. So what I'm going to do is spread some solder paste on here. That might be too much. Spread it out enough so that it'll touch the pads. Try not to add too much. Can focus. Yeah. But it doesn't look like enough to me. Add a little more down here. I'm not a professional or anything, just letting you guys know. I'm just a random dude, kid, that's just trying to fix a fan connector on a 2014 Mac Mini. But, okay, so I'm gonna change the camera angle. The stand thingy. Oh, there's my leg. Okay, so I was adjusting the iPad and the thing, I accidentally pressed the home button. So I'm gonna have to add the 2 video clips into iMovie on my Mac Pro, so on the computer. So anyways, continuing, we can get the heat gun and we can heat up the solder paste. So this is still warming up. I think, oh, it's already warmed up. Looking at the camera simultaneously. So if you see me doing something wrong, please let me know. I'm not a professional, as I said. I soldered a battery connector onto an iPhone 4 off camera once. Say it did not go as planned. A few days, it started like randomly shutting off. I had to put a piece of duct tape over the connector because it wasn't really soldered on correctly. Now I have seen other people solder, So I know I'm not doing it correctly. Is it not hot enough for me? Okay, 500. Let's bring it up to 600. 605, that's good. Yep, that solder paste is melting. Oh, that is in the complete wrong spot. There we go. Bringing up the temperature really helped. This is the first time I'm actually soldering on camera. Hopefully this fan connector will work. It's been sitting in my closet. You know, this computer has been sitting in my closet, you know, half assembled because that's how I got it for a while. Come on. It's getting closer. Maybe I should speed this video up if I even know how to. I'm a really dumb person. If you can't see right here because I'm doing something that dumb people don't do. Actually, I take that back. That might not be a great saying. But just to let you guys know, I am pretty dumb. I barely passed 5th grade. Going into 7th grade, so I'm not sure how I'll do. I think I did add a little too much solder. I had too less on this spot up here. Give the board a break. Bring that temperature up a little higher. 610, that should be good. Improvement. Looks amazing. Okay, so I do need to add some more solder paste on these pads right here. It's a little solder ball that I will throw in the trash. So I'm gonna need to add a little more solder. I'm gonna let that cool down. Anyways, I'm gonna go show you guys some future projects while that cools down. Well, a future project. I don't have a few, but this might look like your average Wacom tablet, but it's really not, because there is an iPad inside of it. I'm just using the box to store it. So this is an iPad Mini 2 I received a while back from eBay. So I did post on Twitter about this, but you can see it's in pretty rough shape. It's bent on the side. And I just got a bunch of glass on it. That is incredible. I've never been really cut by sharp glass. But here, it's on iOS 8. Touchscreen isn't that good. But about is on iOS 8.1.2. So it's going to need some work. I need to get some parts for it, but hopefully it'll be a good video. So just put that back in the box. But anyways, I think it's cooled down enough. Let's add a little more solder paste to those pads. Well, let's see how it goes. This damn fly. Just want to burn it with my heat gun. Let's try it again. You know what? I'm gonna move the solder away. I just got some solder paste on myself. Can just wipe that off with a tissue. Oops, just hit a component. Have to clean off the... I just realized I didn't use any flux. I didn't use any flux. That might not be good, but if the thing comes out successful, then I don't know. This video is already 8 minutes of just me soldering. Man, I should have done a time lapse, or just sped the video up. There we go. Now it's time for the last pad, solder pad. Yes. Well, it looks good. They're shiny. I'm gonna let it cool down and then clean off the rest of the solder residue. You can see all of this, and this. This is a resistor capacitor. This is a resistor right here. That's not solder. So I need to get all of these. They should come off pretty easily with a toothbrush. And that's what I will get. An old toothbrush and some 91%, right? Yep, 91% isopropyl alcohol. So let's let it cool down, and then we'll continue. So I guess I'll stop the video here, and then I'll continue it once it cools down. Well, as you can see, I've waited a couple minutes, so let's just spray some alcohol in here. I'm out of alcohol. And just scrub the board carefully. It's looking a lot cleaner. I'll use a tissue to just wipe the alcohol up. Apply some more alcohol to the surrounding area. There we go. Now we can try to solder on the connector. This is going to be interesting. So I've got the connector right here. I should move the piece of paper out of the way. 600 degrees. I drop the connector. Yep. Let me just place the connector on top of the pads. There might be too much solder, actually. Oh my god. Ah. No. Got under the motherboard. Oh my god, this is pretty insane. It's insanely hard to align the connectors. Might have added too much solder. This is so difficult to align. Oh no. Yeah, I might have added too much solder. Okay, I've gotten it somewhat aligned. This is super hard. Okay. Damn it. Gotta be serious. So damn hard. Okay. Okay, whatever. Let's just melt the solder first. Wait a minute, why is the count? Here we go. I put it on its lowest speed, so it hopefully won't. Still solid. Oh, the connector melted. Oh, crap. That's something. Well, guess I'll have to buy a new connector now. Will the fan even still clip onto the connector? Somewhat. But if I disconnect it, it stays in a whole piece. Yeah, still fits. Even though it's all melted. So, I put the speed higher. I'm gonna try to melt the solder and then put the connector on. I hope this goes good and goes well. There. 608 degrees. I guess I just didn't wait long enough. It's my fault. let's do this. This again. So the solder did not melt. As I said, I'm not a professional. Or at least I gave it a try. So I'm gonna hold the connector down. Hopefully it doesn't melt. Damn it. This is difficult. Very, very difficult. Especially on a YouTube video where where I'm talking a lot and stuff. You know, by now the heat gun is just pointing towards nothing. Just please align. There we go. It's now somewhat aligned. And it's hot. I think I've got it now. Yep, I think I've got it. 14 minutes of me just talking about whatever I was talking about and soldering. This fly. I want to burn it so bad. I've removed the heat gun. Doesn't look too bad. What do you guys think? Oh, I almost pulled the rework station off the table. The wire for the heat gun got caught on the armrest. Yeah, it's soldered in, just not very good. Well, the question is, see, one of the ground connectors aren't connected to the motherboard. I'm gonna let that cool down for a bit. This is gonna turn into like some 30-minute video or something. Well, I'll be back when everything cools down. So, yeah. Soldering attempt. Okay, so the board has cooled down significantly. Logic board, motherboard, I call it motherboard because it is a motherboard. So it's cooled down to the point where I can touch it comfortably on a 97-degree day. And Fahrenheit, so not Celsius. 97 degrees Fahrenheit. So what I am trying to do right now, sorry, the camera wasn't in. And that part isn't connected. I'll deal with this part later. But for now I have to start soldering that ground connector part. So, if we get that part in, hopefully we can test the fan without any issues. Or the computer. My hands are literally shaking my hand is literally shaking right now. I'm nervous that something bad is going to happen or the connector is going to melt. Well, I think it's... Okay, so now I have to wait for it to cool down again. So, great. Well, no, that part did not get connected. Why isn't it connected? So I'm gonna have to. I think I've got it soldered in. Oh damn it! I didn't. I was. It was. I was. It wasn't really on the screen. It was like on like the bottom corner, like over here. That's a horrible representation of that. But anyways, does look like it's attached. I just attached it. I think it's just connected to the plastic. Try again. Well, better than not soldering it in. This is gonna be a long video. Get power supply cable connected. Remove the motherboard out of the way. And here's the Mac Mini housing. Trying to connect it. Get the power supply out. I don't know how to get the power supply out. Can get that part out. Never really worked on Mac Minis. it's all loose and stuff. But I'm unable to get it out. Maybe I can connect it. This is difficult to connect. It's like a row of pins. Thanks a lot, Apple. Even though this computer wasn't meant to be opened up. Still incredibly frustrating. Oh, did I get it in? No, I did not get it in. Well, the motherboard is definitely cooled down by now. Let's see if the connector fits. So, oh, I was just quiet there for like a few minutes. Motherboard is still toasty. Whatever. I'm afraid to plug it in. And I'm afraid that if I disconnect it again, that it'll break. I need to. That is not a secure connection. Oh, no, it just broke off. No. All of that hard work just for the connector to break off. That is incredible. But not surprising. Well, now I've got to reheat it again. Just for it to Ow! I did not burn myself. That's just some hot plastic. No! No, 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 no. 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 Great. All because of a broken connector. Come on, no! No, wait. Wait. That's fine, that's fine. Okay. Damn it, I didn't show it on the camera again. This video is turning into a disaster. Great, now that that piece is off. Please, just work. I just want the fan to spin again. Because if it doesn't, then it'll overheat. I swear if I have to get a new connector. This will be a horrible outcome if I have to buy a new connector just because the old one melted that was once soldered in perfectly fine. I might need a new connector. But please, I just want it to connect. That's all I want it to do. I might have to make it a 2-part video. I might have to make it a 2-part video. I think the solder is melted right now. I just can't get the connector to stick onto the tweezers. Okay. So what I am going to do, I'm gonna put the connector onto the solder pads. Well, not the pads, all the solder. Please, I just want it to work. Stop. Connector's getting blown away by the heat gun. Great, the motherboard just burned me. That is very, very great. And I am very proud of myself getting burned by the motherboard. Well, I don't think I can make use of this connector, so I'm gonna have to make a part 2 at some point, and the connector is stuck to my tweezers. Well, I'll have to make it into a part 2 video. This is gonna be part 1, and part 2 will probably not come out very soon. But still, it's gonna become a part 2 series, a 2-part series, or a 2-part video, whatever it's called. But anyways, let's see if it works, if it still works. If there's a speaker already attached to the motherboard. Oh, there's no power supply. Oh, damn it. Well, the power supply is still in the casing. So that means I have to connect the power supply. Oh, it's already 107. Well, yeah, the connector's not gonna fit. Oh wait, I got it in. So, I've finally got the connector in. So I'm gonna connect it to the motherboard. It's connected. Let's see if it works. And hopefully it doesn't blow up. The moment of truth, I'm plugging it into the wall. It still works! Except there's just no fan. That obviously won't work. Well, it works. It works. What a surprise. Well, it is a surprise to me because I thought it wasn't gonna work because there's so much heat. I'm gonna hold down fan connector. I got the fan to somewhat connect. Well, yeah, just, oh well. So, anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe. Check out my Twitter at efelix5, and yeah, I'll see you guys next time. Bye.